to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in multiple positions on Bitcoin. First, I'll walk you through a trade I just got out of, and then we'll get into today's. So since Thursday, I've been trading short, and I've covered this in a few other videos, but I went short Thursday after taking this FOMC long. Went short Saturday added, Sunday added, and then I took profits here with this level here. There's sell side liquidity here with the sweep of that liquidity, and that here on the daily chart would be equivalent to the liquidity resting right below, which would be Monday's low. But you can see price continued to sell down here in this candle here on the daily, and that would be it delivering to the sell side to these levels here. So what got my attention for that short trade was this candle here broke above a previous level, and then you can see this sell side delivery, which I had a sell side bias. Now currently I have a buy side bias, and I will walk you through what I'm seeing here on the charts that has me bullish. So if you see this area here again on the daily chart, this is my current dealing range here on the daily chart, where you're seeing this Fibonacci retracement tool. I'll remove it for now so we can see greater detail. So this price action here, you can see there's a level here where this candle broke out above. So I've been interested in a short since that happened, but you can see continued buy side price trades into this fair value gap here, and all of these blue areas that you see here, these are all fair value gaps. And then you can see, as I mentioned before, this price action, you see price delivered to the sell side right to that level. So this price trades down right into that level. If you see this blue dotted line, this price traded right into it, and this here is the order block that's associated with this displacement leg here on the daily chart. You can see, as I mentioned, price trade back down into that, and now I'm looking for a price to redeliver to the buy side here. And then on delivery to that buy side, I want to target liquidity. There's a liquidity pool resting just above where this green level is. This is the liquidity pool resting above, what is this, August high. So the high for the month of August is up here, and there are anyone who went short has their buy stops resting above this level. So I want to raid that liquidity with the algorithm. So that is my swing trade idea here, if you could say that. I imagine it's going to take a few days to shape out. I've taken 3 different entries into this position, but you can see here this is my stop loss. My stop loss I put below this entry candle here on the daily, because I'm calling this candle here an intermediate term low, as it has rebalanced all the fair value gaps here and traded down into the order block. So I'm going to call this an intermediate term low here on the daily, and I don't anticipate price to return back to that level. And then for take profit, as I mentioned, the liquidity pool resting above the high for the month of August. And then I have some shorter positions on. In addition to that, if you can see where the Fibonacci retracement tool is, I want to get an entry ideally inside of this optimal trade entry, which I was able to get an entry just at the 72% level on average here, actually better than the 72% level on average. with staging the 3 entries over the course of the AM session and into the PM session. And then over here on the 60-minute, I've got 2 trades going here on the 60-minute. The first trade is a trade to sweep the liquidity out of here from when I just went short. There's buy-side liquidity resting above Thursday's high, so I want to target that liquidity. So this is likely a short-term trade. It's going to take some time to get that type of distance here, but I want to target that liquidity. And then that trade looks like this. 908 here. So actually this isn't going to show well just because of the distance that it has to cover. But here you can see here on the daily chart, I'm actually targeting, I'll show you where I'm targeting here. But my stop loss, I've got 2 stop losses on this trade. So my first positions that I entered, my stop is actually here on the daily, on the first 2 positions. And then I took a afternoon position, and that afternoon position, the stop loss on the afternoon position is here, below this candle here for today's, or at least the low, or I'd say the lowest bodied candle. This wicks down, but going with this candle here as a stop loss for the third position or the third entry that I took on this trade. And then my target or take profit is here. So I want a sweep of liquidity. There is buy-side liquidity resting up here. This is the order block and fair value gap series of candles here that are associated with this fair value gap that sent price action to the sell side here. So I want to sweep out that liquidity along with the algorithm. And let's see, the other position that I have off of the 60-minute here is I am targeting liquidity that is resting above Saturday's high. So there's buy-side liquidity resting right here. I want to sweep that liquidity out with the algorithm. And for that position, I should be able to see here on the 60-minute. So all of these will be the same, 45 here. So you can see for a stop loss, I'm using this same level here. There's a $70.10 spread on Bitcoin, so I give it $70.20. So that's my stop there. And then take profit, as I mentioned, is just here at 116.24.1 with the buy side liquidity resting up here. And that here on the daily chart, I'm not sure if I called the number out, but the daily chart for 807. The daily chart, the take profit on this trade is 124,545.5 is the target for, or take profit for the trades, or the trade that I'm taking here off of the daily chart. And then I have one position that I'm taking here off of the 15-minute chart. I'm using my same stop loss here off of the 60-minute, but I've chosen a target which would be today's high, which is right here. So there's going to be some liquidity resting here. There's also this fair value gap that's right here. So I imagine price will trade into this fair value gap. Likely will want to rebalance, but I'm not going for a rebalance because I'm already trading through this fair value gap. So I imagine price is going to want to get into this fair value gap here, but I want to take an exit here since I already have a take profit set for this level here. In this trade, you can see right here on the 60 minute. Actually, I can pull this one up on the 15 minute as well. So this one you can see on the 15 minute just fine here. So this line is midnight New York. So this steps in today. So there's going to be buy side liquidity resting right above this level here. Losses based off of this level here, which is equivalent to this level here on the 60 minute. And now just getting a little closer look here. Looks like there'll likely be some near equal highs in this area. Yeah. So price is likely to trade up into here to sweep out this liquidity here, but I'm content with this area here as I have multiple positions that I would stagger to take profits as price is redelivered to the buy side here if all goes well. And here on the 15 minute, you can see my positions staggering in. You can see my positions from the AM session are here, and then these are my PM session entries here. So I wasn't seeing exactly what I wanted to see in the AM, but I did see enough to take some positions. Things look better here for my setup here in the PM session for at least how I like to trade. But we'll come up and have a look at the ticket, have a look at my tickets, and then we'll continue trading here. So my trading history for today, you just see the positions coming on, but if I show yesterday, you can see the profit taking I was able to do. This comes up to about 737 US dollars here in total, and that was the short trade I was just in. And then let's see here. But yeah, I'm not sure if that looks like I was having some technical issues with the streaming software here, but let's continue. But yeah, I was just showing my trading history here. So this was the all of the positions on all the positions on the short trade that I showed coming into today. So pretty good profits on that. I believe this was a 6 to 1 reward to risk ratio trade here. And then you can see here AM positions, first round of AM positions, second round of AM positions, and then here are the PM positions, and then this silver bullet position here. So it's a little sloppy on my times today, but sometimes price action is just going to do that for you. All buys, so bullish today, and we'll see how price action continues to deliver here. Getting some lag in my charts. Alright, well, I'm going to let my All right. Now my platform's back. Okay. So I'm going to let this trade play out. So far, so good. Another thing that happened over the course of this morning is there was a market structure shift. So I'll show it here on the 15-minute, but again here on the 60-minute, and then I'll show here on the daily. This is also from an ICT perspective here on the daily, an optimal trade entry. As you can see, price just traded in between the 62% and 79% level here. So this is classic optimal trade entry methodology here. So multiple inner circle trader setups here, and then here on the 60, you can see price action consolidating in this area, putting in a high, low, high, and this very small, there's a small fair value gap inside of this area here. But what happens here on the 15-minute, here on the 15-minute this morning, actually let's back up. This area here. So you get this price action where this price delivers down into here on the daily, delivers into this swing level right here. As price recovers, price consolidates here. But what I'm seeing here on this level, you're getting like this price level here, or these very near equal highs here. And then this level here triggers a short trade as this swing high was broken. Price swings down, finds a reaction here in this area, delivers to the buy side. With this buy side delivery here, especially in this candle right here, we get a market structure shift. So a shift here on the 15-minute from sell side delivery. This price action here shifts it here into buy side delivery. Then you get this sell side consolidation, and now starting to see a return to the buy side delivery. So seeing this market structure shift here, on the 15-minute is a positive indication for a potential long as well. So seeing potentially long setups all across the time frames. And in addition to that, if we scroll back here on the 60-minute, we can see actually price is trading. If we come back, price is trading within this fair value gap right here. So this level here is likely what is supporting or potentially this order block right here may be supporting price currently. But I'll continue to monitor and let Bitcoin play out whatever it is going to do here for the rest of the day. But I anticipate it's more probable than not to see continued buy-side delivery here over the course of the day and potentially the week overall. If you have any questions or would like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe.